Hello guys, welcome to Go with Godot channel. Today we are going to talk how multiplayer works. Let's get started. In order to make somethink online we need to send data to other peoples. And long time ago in order to make somethink online, some Chad like being starts making investment, and made first phone, working with cable. After that people start sending data with phones. After first calculator. In the other name computer invested. They start sending data with computers. And with computer we can send any type of data. After years passed, and technology improved, they start make multiplayer games. But it is slowly starts cause some security issues. Before going into security, let's turn back our topic game development. In normally we connect each other's computer, and we are sending data about game. But when hackers start taking advantage of this, modem producers start to produce modems with new feature, and this feature is blocking connections from outside. This means we can connect anybody from outside, but they can't connect to us. But this has ended every old multiplayer's games, and peoples was not really happy about that. So they invested UPnP, but it is not safe to, and it simply not worked well. Right now in order to play multiplayer games, game producers buying server to host games, and it is not cheap, and not cheap for indie game developer. So there is two way. First way is port forwarding, but not every modem supporting this and it is not really safe. Second way is using VPN server like Hamachi and Radmin. This guys have server with almost no CPU, and only job of this server needs to send data to every connected computer. And this server not really needs CPU power. People's using this for playing old multiplayer games. In my next tutorials, when I post server browser tutorial, I will show how to implement this two-way and make server browser can see every game, even it is using Hamachi or Radmin. Now you understand what is multiplayer and why right now our game is only visible on local network. By the way, please consider to subscribe. And there is any question about tutorial, come to my Discord server.